In operations, there is module in FashionNX. So what we can do in operations, one is that sales activity, like we can book a sales order through the different forms are available. One is set how we can book a set a sales order through the set functionality. Also how we can uh, like create or accept the sales order through the individual and multiple options available here to import the sales order through Excel template as well. So we'll see how we can like create a sales order in terms of for the garment actually. So in this we can go into the sales order sets and you can see the screen, and in this screen obviously we are getting the some functionality here to select a customer. We can have a reference number of it, and at the when we are taking an order in, because this form is basically like getting giving the facility when some of the customers are taking orders in presentations thing, when they are the like in presentations for the buyers, they are booking or taking the orders like in a live environment actually, because in that case for the presentation purpose they are carrying most of the brands are carrying the one of the sample with them. So one is that, apart from that, internally as well this can be used to book a sales order. So that purpose, when contact person email and the phone number facility is provided in case the new customer is like is came in the presentation, and at that point of time they have to take a immediate order of that particular customer, so they can put such information at that point of time. And next is that facility available for the scanning across the FashionNX in operations. We will be able to see this scanning functionality. So we can, as mentioned, their customers are going in the presentations or like exhibitions. So all obviously the buyers are coming there, and that point of time they are having only just single sample with them, and obviously there is a barcode to scan on that particular product so they can accept the order easily. So to do that, they can obviously select a customer here. They can add the reference again through in the both scenario, like in the outside of the premises or like in the presentation, this can be used, or else when the buyer purchase order is received directly at that time also this can be like whatever the purchase of the order number by of the buyer, that can be entered as a customer reference number. Apart from that, getting the some fields like delivery date and document like SAP standard sales order itself. So these all dates will get posted in the standard sales order again, and then from which warehouse this order will get shipped. So according to that, they can like select the warehouse which is coming here. Next is that when I was explaining the initial basic configuration, that time in the user itself there was one of the user defined fields over there was warehouse. So for the manager user, there are some warehouse codes are assigned. In case in the company or like according to the user, we can define which the warehouses are assigned to that particular user. Based upon that, this will get like the restrictions, or like you can say the limited warehouses will get displayed to that particular user according to the whatever the setting is provided according to that, that can be used. Next is that in case if nothing is mentioned here, obviously in that case, all warehouses will be, like, will be displayed for the selection in the drop down itself. Next is that after selecting the delivery warehouse, this information can be entered. And next is that there are two things, or like two ways to add or like scan that item in case they are having the sample at that point of time to for the scanning that can be scanned. Like I'm scanning one of the barcode here. This is my barcode, and I am accepting an order in this particular product. So I can just scan it and I can just tab. Once I tab here, so if the image is attached, it will show you here if the image is there. And next is you can see here which barcode you have been scanned. That is showing here the size 16 you have scanned here of this particular style. You can go directly from style also here. And next is that which item code is there and what is the barcode again. So entire information of the item will come. Importantly, I will like I will scan one of the items, so showcase you the difference when you accept the uh, multiple items order. So you can see here, now I have scanned another item which is green text which we have created earlier. This is one. And in both products, because this is particularly the dress and this is particularly the bottom wear, in this both product the sizes are different. Okay, now in the bottom wear the size 28 to 36 is available, and in the dress from 16 to 22 is the sizes. There is the size is coming as a 28 to 34, just because you can go to the style, and there is an option available to define in this particular style what are the default sizes available. One option is that first of all system will check is that defined on the style directly. If no, then system will go and check the default sizes which are available in this particular style. System will check the size template in that case. So now 28 and 28 to 34 is mentioned in the size template. So second check is found to the system. So accordingly, system have given us the from 28 to 34 are the sizes. This we can call as a set. This is we can call set. There is you can see the quantity is one set. That means from 28 to 34 there is a one set. You can see in each size of this particular style there is one quantity has been come already after this scanning till the 34 size only, not in the 36. So this is uh, how we can like we can set the default sets. Next is that if we want to change this or we want to add this here, I can add also. I can say that from 16 to 22, I want. Now you can see the four quantity has been, like updated, and also one quantity is updated in all sizes. Now I want 20 quantity in each size from this ratio, and I can just press tab here. Now you can see in each size the 20 quantity has been updated. In case I want to update here also, like I'm updating 50 quantity here, so the 50 quantity has been updated. I can again change the ratio. That means it will update in size 36 as well. When I'm scanning this, In the right hand side, image and the what is the available inventory for this particular scanned product, which is latest scanned item stock. It will show you here. Entire stock is available against this particular item code, but you are getting the inventory here according to the size. In 28 size, the available quantity is 1109, and in this particular size, there is no quantity. This is coming the overall quantity against the barcode. In case any order is already booked in this particular barcode, like you can consider that the this particular column. Okay. In any case, in order committed and in stock committed and ordered, and after that available stock, whichever is coming according to the size specifically, it will show you here. Next is that next is that you can see here there is one checkbox available for which you can see the prices in case the prices, because you can see the two, like the amounts are coming here. Apart from that, quantity, which is the total quantity here also showing, and how many sets you can see here, 70 sets, 20 plus 50 is coming here. Next is that whatever this tax is going to apply, that is showing there. Now the calculation is coming, but you want to see the size wise prices, because we can have, or we are having the different prices according to the size. So in that case, you can say you want to see price of the sizes. Now you can see that for 28 size, there is a, like size one, price one. So in that you can see 580 is the price. For the size 2, there is a price 590 and 600 and further. So this way, at that point of time, you want to see the prices of this style, that you can see it according to the sizes. Next is that in case you want to select anything directly, in case you want to select anything directly, you don't have the barcode, you don't have the scanning functionality with you. So at that point of time, you will be able to select barcode. Either you can select item code, either you can select go by the description, even you can go by the style. So in that case, you want to go with this style, you can select any of the style here. Now this is getting coming in the color, which is pink color, and because uh, in case there is no price and quantity, like total value of the row is the 0, that means it is coming in the pink. In both things can be there as a quantity as 0 or the price is 0. Both can have the role here when the pink row is getting highlighted like this. So in that, two colors are there. You can select any of the color again, and I'm selecting the black one here, and you can select the barcode of the that particular style only. Okay, so earlier when I select, like I selected the like through the CFL filter, I have opened the list of barcode. That time I was getting an entire list of the barcode, but now if I select the style, then only related to that style, only the barcodes are showing here. When you are selecting a barcode, that point of time you will be able to see the information, what is the barcode, which size and color of that particular barcode is, and further the prices of that particular barcode along with the size. So you can select any of the barcode here, and once you select it, so your total amount has got like got updated. That is why it has been changed to like normal color, which is gray color, and you can accept the order. Now I want to take a order directly without adding any quantity directly here. I just want to, like take quantity sum here, like this one. So I can do that as well. So accepting the order is quicker, and further there is a set selection available in row, and also you can select a set selection on the header level. In case whatever the set you have been selected, and now, because why this is required, generally when we are accepting the order, customer came, and in the customer, like store, or like when he is giving the order, so that time he is having clarity exactly in which sizes they are able to sell the product, in which size ratio. Like even I am having the sizes from 28 to 34 in this 36 in this particular product, but in my store only 30 to 34 size are running. So that is why I can say, and I can ask for the take my order from 30 to 34 in only three sizes, not in the five sizes. So in that case, I can create one of the size set, which is you can create from here size set, which is created already like this. So this way you can create a size set, and based upon that you will be able to select a size set here. When you select a size set, so system will pick defaultly set for this particular scanned item, or you can selected item directly, so that at that point of time whatever item you are scanning, in case that size range is getting matched to that particular product. So in that sizes only the order will get accepted, instead of the other sizes, the quantity will not come. Why this is happening? See, when we are accepting the order through this set, so that time customer can ask, I want a five uh, each in each size. I want a five quantity. Uh, and for each style, this will be the ratio when accepting the order. So I just want a five set of it. So that means for each, it will get multiplied with the size set, the quantity. This is one set actually. And if we say that of the 20 quantity equal to one set, if I say five sets, that means 100 quantity will get four. So this way I can select this set. Next is that sales employee. We can create a sales employee again in the general, and we can assign it here. The owner of the document, we can store it. At that point of time, in case we are having the any agent, or like you can say that mediator for that particular customer, so that also can be assigned on this uh, particular sales order. As and when you do this, you can add this particular sales document. Along with that, there is a facility to import the these particular barcodes. I will showcase you this. Just before that, I will add this first, and then I will show the import functionality. So when you add this, you can add it. So you can see my order was booked. Only the three rows was there. Okay, horizontally. Now you can see each and every information has been transposed, and proper information with the barcode and color, item code, what is the quantity, what is the price. So this way, the standard document of sales order has been created, and the reference number you can also see here. Next is that when we add this particular document, it will get closed. The posted order, the button is already will get like disabled, And you can see here in the detail tab, the posted status is getting yes, and you can go directly from here to your sales order as well. So this is the way you can accept the order. And next is that import. In logistic tab, there is ship bill to ship to can be selected. In detail tab, this information is there in case payment terms and other things you want to select it up. TNA was also given here. Apart from that, you can go and you can attach the attachment as well, and you can create the user defined field on sales order as well. So this way, you can create the sales order set